thrifted this fur coat for $5, I think like 2 years ago. And the reason it was on such crazy sale is the thrift store was having like big blowout sale, and the collar is really falling apart. So I don't think it's been very well taken care of. I was gonna wear it as is, but the sleeves are so short on me and the jacket's a little bit short too. So I don't really love it as is. I'm gonna repurpose it, and I think I have like a couple different ideas of how I wanna utilize it in some projects this winter, so I'm just gonna start by disassembling. And I think for what I want today, I might just need a sleeve. I wanna make a headband. Oh no, I'm gonna need more length than I thought. So I'm either gonna need like the back panel or the front panel. Yeah, I'm probably gonna need this back panel. So I'm just gonna start by disassembling a bit. And I think the plan is like, I wanna make that cute fur headband, you know? I'm either gonna use 2 or 3 strips of it. And I'm thinking that for the headband, I'll probably wanna tighten up the distance between so you don't see this kind of like gray silver coming up. So if I can tighten it up, I'll probably do 3 rows. But if it seems hard to tighten up, I'll probably just do the 2 rows. And I think it's gonna look so cute. I'm gonna disassemble first. I'm gonna take the section right out of the center back, and these 3 lines of leather are what I wanna use, but I'm gonna cut pretty close to the edge of the next ones, so I have some seam allowance to turn under. So you're gonna see me cut pretty close to like 4 and 5, because I wanna utilize as much of that fabric as I can. This is so funny. It might need to just be a 2-row. I don't know, maybe it's kind of cool. Maybe I do a circle off the top and then it's just a hat rather than a headband. I think a headband would be cuter on me though. Let's see what 2 looks like. I don't know. Let's ask the world. Okay, consensus was made. 2 stripes headband. And I'm gonna use this for the interior because waste not, want not, you know what I mean? That was the excess one. I wonder if we might be able to make something with that later. I don't really know what, but a little trim or something. Oh, it's just so cute. Okay, just measured my head. So I'm gonna take off 3 inches, but I need some seam allowance. So I'm gonna take off 2.5, 1.5, 2.5. I'm gonna sew it up, then we'll try it back on, and then we can do a lining. I think it's gonna be, oh, I might not even need to do a lining. I might be able to just hand tack this down. It might be really easy. Famous last words. Oh, gloves would be so gorgeous. It's gonna be so easy. I'm wondering if instead of hand sewing this, which was my original plan, I wonder if I could flip it the other way and go in between the 2 fur pieces and stitch it down in here so it's stronger. I don't have to hand stitch through leather. I think I'm gonna try that. That sounds like a way better plan. Just have to make sure my needles are going this way, not this way, so I don't run over them. Okay, let's try it. I needed a win today. This was it.